Champ Barbecues. Today we're doing up some beef ribs. Beef back ribs in the Pit Boss Vertical 7 with some Uncle Steve shake. And we have a new product to test. Oh hell yeah, the Smoke Bomb. We're gonna add in some competition cow powder as well to get that nice granulated chunks of goodness on these beef ribs. Check this out. With your beef ribs, score the membrane, and then get your rub on there. Hit a little olive oil on there first, all over the ribs. Put your rub on. Oh, hell yeah. This Uncle Steve shake, the Smoke Bomb, is delicious. Oh, hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
So I got some beef ribs. I got some chicken chunks with some buffalo sauce on them. I got this nice fresh vegetable pizza. Check this sucker out that I put together. Fresh frozen, bro. That looks badass, but I'm gonna pop it in the Pit Boss along with everything else. I didn't make it. Just make it easy. Those beef ribs, those look amazing though. Being a little lazy tonight, but those beef ribs are fresh. We're popping these beef ribs in a pellet smoker actually at 275 for about 2 to 3 hours. Once they're done, pull them out. We're gonna crank the heat up a little bit. If you want to wrap them, you can. If not, whatever. I had some other cooks going on in this Pit Boss, so we cranked it up to about 350 for about 40 minutes. And then I pulled them out, let them rest, and these beef ribs are dynamite. What a great cook, folks. Cheers. Uncle Steve, you did it this time, bro. What a great balance of a little bit of heat, a lot of pepper, a lot of salt.
Give me a hell yeah! I said give me a hell yeah!